Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you two ChatGPT prompts that you can use to rank product reviews higher for your affiliate sites, to make them higher converting for the people reading them, and it will improve any review that you've currently got on your affiliate site. So obviously I'm talking about real reviews here. I'm not advocating creating fake reviews or anything like that. I'm on about creating engaging content. I'm going to show you some ways that you can do that to improve your genuine reviews. So I just wanted to mention that. The niche I'm going to be showing as an example is a really good one, egg cookers. It is a not very high price range, but they sell really well. 10,000 of these egg cookies have sold in the last month, so really great niche. And I've got two really good prompts for you. So if you do like this video, do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me make the videos for you. And I've got lots more on the way if you're interested in building income streams with ChatGPT. I've got some full-length guides coming up that will be really good. Instead of videos like this, it's going to be complete A to Z guides to do. Subscribe for that. I think you really enjoy it. If you're interested in building affiliate sites and you want more than just a video that gives you really great tip, but you do want a complete set of niches, content, everything that you need, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page. It's the link in the description. It's called the Freedom Ticket, and what it is in a nutshell is 6 niches picked out for you and all content included. 20 pages for each niche to get you off to a really good start in the right way with proper SEO, really great converting niches, the content done properly, so you can get on and start building affiliate sites that actually convert, actually make money. I'll also be covering flipping and building sites up. So if you're interested in that stuff, join us. The link's below, it's in the description. Okay, let's get on with this. These two prompts I want to show you. So the niche is here. The product that we're going to focus on is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, really popular egg cooker. And I'm going to show you two prompts right now that will improve your reviews, that will allow you to create far better content, and in turn will allow you to rank higher and stand out from the crowd, and also make sure that people buy from your affiliate site. So here we go, check this out. The first thing I want to do is just cover the prompts. You could actually make this into 2 separate prompts, but I'll just cover here what you need. And obviously all you need to do on your side is replace the product with whatever product that you're reviewing. So the prompt here is write an engaging conversion focus review for the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, highlighting its top features and addressing common buyer objections. Also, can you summarize why the egg cooker is better than its competitors in terms of price, performance and features? Do this at the top of the content for an at a glance section. Okay, so what we've got here is these main areas, highlighting its top features and addressing common buyer objections. That's absolutely gold. We know that any review, yes, you're going to talk about the top features and benefits, really simple stuff. But what a lot of content pieces miss for affiliate sites is the common buyer objections. If you research them, if you get them right, then you're covering the base that a buyer or prospect, someone that hasn't purchased yet, would want to know. They want to know, are there any problems with the product? What are the downsides? So a lot of people move away from the downsides when you actually want to be mentioning that straight away. As long as it's, you know, if it's a top selling product like this egg cooker, it's not going to be that much of a downside. It's going to be something that you'll want to mention. Also, can you summarize why the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is better than its competitors in terms of price and performance and features? That's also a huge thing. You can also expand on that, guys, with ChatGPT, and you could actually say, can you summarize why this rapid egg cooker is better than its competitors, and also summarize the competitors and pros and cons of each in a table? So if you want to do it like that and have a comparison table, it will improve your reviews hugely. This is something that before ChatGPT would take hours of time to go and research, obviously validate it, verify it. One of the best ways of doing that with ChatGPT is once you get the information here, you can ask ChatGPT, include sources of where you've got this information, where have you researched it from, and it will do that. But let's have a look at, so you can see here at a glance, this is really good to go at the top of your reviews, something like this, why the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker stands out, and it's talking about price, performance and features, priced affordably under $20, unbeatable value for its functionality, performance, perfectly cooked eggs, boiled, poached or scrambled, faster than most stovetop or other countertop options, compact, easy to use, minimal cleanup, making it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify meal prep. Combined with a one-touch cooking system and multiple egg capacities, this model offers the best mix of versatility and convenience compared to higher price competitors. So straight away we're telling where it fits, what it's good at, and what they're getting. And then you've got this as well, the top features mentioned. You've got common buyer objections addressed. Will it take up too much counter space? I'm worried it won't cook the eggs how I like them. Is it worth the price? Will it really save me time? Now, if you're with Amazon, you can't copy and paste the reviews on there, but you can say, check out the Amazon. You can say to ChatGPT, check out the Amazon reviews for this product and give me the top 5 pros and the top 5 cons for this product. Then what you want to do, so you can see here why the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is better than its competitors, and it's compared to its higher price counterparts, it delivers more bang for your buck and so on. And then what you want to do is include that in your real review. Okay, so your proper review, you're using this as snippet information that will allow your review to stand out. It's really, really good content because it's addressing those buyer objections addressed. It's covering the things that people want to know when they're searching for the product. So remember this, with your affiliate sites, with your review sites, make sure that you're covering the things that people want to know at a glance. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they cover everything, a huge word count, but it might not be what they want to know right now. If someone is looking for the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, they're looking for an egg cooker and they're looking to make a buying decision. They've either gone straight to Amazon, if they're umming and ahhing about it, if they're thinking should I, shouldn't I, they want to know the features. They want to know if anyone's had any problems with the product. They want to know how it stands out to the from the competitors, and you can compare that. Improve your reviews, follow that, use that prompt for any product. If you've got affiliate sites out there, use that prompt straight away, put it into your reviews and improve the content quickly and easily, improve rankings, improve conversions. Nice and simple. So thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up. Thank you, I appreciate you. Join us on the Freedom Ticket, the link's in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.